just don't have. Always moving forward, never looking back, not knowing what was chasing behind. I close my eyes, it's easy to sleep when you live in a dream, but now nothing is what it seems, now that I'm awake. Hold me in the sway and let me fall down to the clay. If you can't fly, all you can do is fall. I wanna fall. What happened to the child that I never was? What happened to the children within all of us? And why can't we just be friends? Well, there are dark shadows long hidden under my bed, but still now it resurfaced inside my head, and I'm 5 years old again. Watching the vines hang from the trees, blowing back and forth with the tiniest breeze, always held mid-fall. I listened and the birds were singing their daily song. The whole backyard was singing along.